This fitting guide is for the TA4379. First, remove all of the headrests from the seats. Be mindful that the headrest stalks may have grease on them. Starting with the right side seat, identify the right cover by having the logo closest to the door and finding this hole. Undo all of the velcro fixings on the cover and loop it over the back of the seat like you're putting on a jacket. Secure the cover around the headrest fixings. Tuck the cover behind the seatbelt. And fasten at the back using the velcro. Next, secure the velcro underneath the armrest. Make sure the cover is tucked behind the plastic fixings. Do this for both sides of the seat. Next, you'll want to tuck the cover through the bottom of the seat and pull it out at the back. This area of the seat can be quite tight, so it may be easier to pull the seat forward. With the cover pulled through the back, you can now attach the velcro. You can now lift the seat back into position. The middle seat cover is identifiable by its symmetrical shape and large hole in the back. As before, undo all of the velcro fixings and sit the cover on top of the seat. Again, attach the cover around the headrest fixings. Tuck the cover behind the seat belt and pull it through to the back of the seat. Do the same thing on the other side of the seat. Next, tuck the cover underneath the plastic at the top of the seat before securing it in place using the velcro. Push the cover underneath the seat and through to the back. And then using this tab, pull the seat forward. The velcro on the back is attached by securing the right side first, then joining the left side to the middle before fastening the left side. The last piece of velcro just secures across the back of the seat. Lift the seat back up and pull the cover tight to remove any slack. As with the first cover, the Town & Country logo should be closest to the door. Undo all of the velcro and throw the cover over the seat like you're putting on a jacket. Repeat the process with the headrest fixings. And again, tuck the cover behind the seatbelt. Once you have again tucked the cover beneath the plastic on the top of the seat, you can begin to secure the velcro at the back of the seat. Pull the cover down and lift the armrest to the upright position before securing the velcro underneath it. Feed the cover through to the back of the seat. Pull the seat forward. On the back of the cover, start by securing the vertical velcro first. Then secure the velcro along the bottom of the cover and finish with this piece of velcro in the corner. The first base cover can be identified as the long bolt rope on the left side of the cover tucks in between the long piece of plastic on the left of the seat. Loop the cover over the front of the seat. Pull it down on the other side, and you can now begin to tuck the bolt rope underneath the plastic. The pocket on the front of the cover is made to go over the tab on the front of the seat. Make sure the cover is pulled down tight before starting to tuck the second bolt rope in beneath the plastic. With this bolt rope, make sure you push it as far down as you can. Take the two long tabs and push them through the seat to feed them through to the back. From the back, grab them and pull the cover through. Once you have done that, it's best just to make sure that the bolt ropes are still fully tucked into the plastic. You'll notice two holes in this part of the cover which are for the ISOFIX fixings. Take the velcro at the front of the seat, push it behind this piece of plastic, run it through to the back before attaching it with the velcro you pushed through earlier. This process is the same for the other side. The middle seat cover can be identified by these two short pieces of bolt rope and by the fact that it's symmetrical. Throw the cover onto the seat and pull it down over both of the front corners. Again, secure the front pocket of the seat cover over the tab on the front of the seat. This can be quite a snug fit. Feed the two tabs of velcro through to the back of the seat. And ensure the bolt rope is tucked in beneath the plastic. Repeat this on the other side of the seat. Using this tab, pull the seat forward and fasten the velcro that you pulled through to the back to the velcro at the front of the seat. This velcro secures the same way on the other side. You can now lift the seat up and make sure the cover is fitted correctly. The process for fitting the base cushion to the last seat is the same as it is for the first seat. You should now only be left with the headrest and armrest covers. For both of the armrests, you just need to undo the velcro on the side, slide it over the top of the armrest and attach the velcro at the bottom. Next, put all of the headrests back into the seats. For the headrests, the covers pull over from the bottom to the top, and the velcro is fastened underneath. All three of the headrests are exactly the same, so will all fit and attach the same. Your seats are now fully covered.